What are you doing, Maya? How's your birthday cake coming along? You're destroying it and you're flinging it everywhere, but you don't want to eat it, do you? Oh, look at your face. Look at your face. Look at your pretty cake. You're really beating it up, aren't you? Maya. Hey. Hey. Eat your cake. Do you want to eat your cake? Do you want to eat your cake? Yummy. Okay. She wants to fling it. That's okay. Oop. In there.